Hello friend, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Standard 7, Chapter 1. In a previous chapter, we have done inserting a chart and a pictures in MS Excel. That was our chapter 2. Now we are going to learn chapter 1, log on to MS Access. Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn about the MS Access. So what is the MS Access? MS Access is a database. Okay. So that are the database. Now we will understand the what is the database. So here chapter 1, log on to MS Access. Log on to MS Access. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn about the database models, okay, how to insert the record in a database, okay, how to create the database and how to start our database. Okay, so this all these things we will learn about in these chapters. First we move on any topic, basic understand about the structure of a table. Okay, first of all, MS Access. So MS Access is the database. MS Access is what? Database. So database is what? Collections of table. Database is what? Collections of table. Collections of table. Okay. So what is the, now we have question comes in mind. Okay, what is the table? So here table is a look like this. Okay, there are multiple cells, multiple columns and rows. Okay. So these are all the columns. What? These are all the columns. And these are all the rows. Okay. So collections of rows and column, that is called tables, and collections of table, that is called our database. So there are many database in a computer's field. Okay. So like Oracle, okay, MS Access, MongoDB, okay. So these are all the databases. We will learn about this MS Access database. Okay, MS Access database is included in your MS Office. Okay, MS Office is MS Word, MS PowerPoint, all these things. That is a completely package of MS Office. In MS Office, you will get the MS Access database. Okay, we will see here where we will get the MS Access. Okay, see here you will see the Access 2016. This is our MS Access. Okay, that is represented by the Microsoft. Okay, so this is our MS Access. Here we draw the table. Okay, uh, in the table there are number of column and number of rows. Okay, suppose here name, here address and contact number. Okay, so these are all these three, that is called our fields. What? This is the field, and remaining all the data, suppose name ABC, or we can take any name. Okay, and this is the address like Mumbai, Vapi. Okay, contact number any number. Okay, so these are all our record. This is what? Records. This is what? Records. Understand? This is the concept of our table and our database. Okay,